In today's video, we will talk about the wheel or part of fortune. This element of the birth chart is integrated in the so-called Arabic parts, positions obtained based on the calculation of 3 points of a chart, involving planets or cardinal points. The distance between two of the points is added to a third, usually the ascendant, to obtain the position of the parts. Astrological tradition defines many Arabic parts, such as the part of spirit, Eros, or love, but the most commonly used is the part of fortune. The Arabic parts integrate very ancient techniques within astrology and have existed since the dawn of this knowledge. Their origin is relatively obscure and dates back to the times of the ancient Babylonians, Sumerians, Egyptians, and Persians, millennia ago. Specifically about the part of fortune, it represents a point in our birth chart where the sun and the moon find a harmonious aspect. It is calculated by adding the moon to the ascendant and subtracting the sun if we are born during the day, or adding the sun to the ascendant and subtracting the moon if we are born at night, that is, at a time when the sun is not visible. The part of luck or fortune represents in the birth chart the area of life where the person has the opportunity to find prosperity, success, and happiness. The chart I have open in the application is that of John Doe. Let's then zoom in and look for a small white wheel with a cross inscribed inside it. Here it is. Let's long press it and tap the question mark button. We already have the explanation of what the part of fortune is and what it's used for in astrology. Let's tap next, and we now have a personalized interpretation for John and how fortune protects him in life. And that's it for today. I hope you found this topic interesting.